any shit in this house, I swear, guys, it's BK. But no one is gonna think it's BK. So many stuff that are going on in this house is BK. Guys, I am not the prankster. BK is. I'm telling you, BK is cooking. I just had to get back at him. I had to get back at him. I initiated what?
The pranks.
I didn't initiate anything. You know what's the issue with me? The difference with me is that I come clean with the pranks. Whatever BK is cooking, he was the one who literally, when we were painting the Bukarata flag, he was the one who was like, I want to pull a prank. Like the house, I just need to do something. BK is so naughty. Like BK is so, he just looks so cool, calm and connected, but I say in that brain of his, so much is going on. So he's always cooking. So I was like, definitely.
So you took the fall?
I'm definitely going to take the fall. I love pranks. Because I did the first prank with the Robertsons.
Hi siblings, welcome again to another update of Big Brother Mzansi happenings as they happen in the house of the Big Brother. So guys, I only need 10. We just need 10 siblings to subscribe, and we hit 1,000 subscribers. Okay, I've been away for a while because of load shedding and all that, but yeah, this is where we are. You see now, Sihle managed to clock BK's game, but I think it's a little bit too late. Sihle, you could have clocked this maybe like few weeks away, so this was gonna make the game so nice, because now you were going to, you know, come for him, and indirectly, you know, you were going to play the player. That was gonna be nice to watch, but so far you are the only housemate that is aware of BK's maneuvering, that is aware of BK's shenanigans. She is the only one. Even Swiss was not even aware of that BK is playing these shenanigans. And apparently, if you listened last night, Swiss was telling people like, you need to eat the meat, because that was the meat that they fried on Thursday, and Big Brother took the meat, okay, and it only came back on Friday, right? I mean, it only came back yesterday, Saturday. So Swiss was saying, guys, you need to eat this meat because it's gonna be off. And you saw there was like insects on the meat and the flies and all that, and it looks like apparently BK is the one who planted those cojos, the insect, and the insect, I think. And then now Swiss was like, just, you know, making it look big and scary when he said there were flies there in. So it wasn't like that. It was just like the ants. And even Nate said that, like, it was the ants. So yeah, so that was all BK's work. So BK has been a lot. As we know, when he went to diaries, he would reveal what he's up to or what he's going to do, even though he didn't achieve much of what he said he was going to do. And yeah, except the biltong that was fried on Friday. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Up until the next video, bye.